Mastering polite requests. It would be great if you could. Hello, English learners. Today, we are delving deeper into the exciting world of indirect requests and offers. This video focuses on a very useful phrase when making polite requests. It would be great if you could. This expression helps us to be tactful and considerate, especially in more formal contexts or when we want to sound more polite. Let's start by understanding what we mean when we say, "It would be great if you could." This is an indirect way to ask someone to do something, without making it sound like an order. It's a more polite, gentle, and respectful way to make a request. The structure of this phrase is simple. It begins with, "It would be great if you could," and is followed by the action you are requesting. For example, "It would be great if you could pass me the salt," or, "It would be great if you could help me with this report." Let's explore some situations where using, "It would be great if you could," is particularly useful. 1. In the workplace. When you need to ask a coworker or your boss to do something, this phrase helps soften your request and avoid sounding demanding. 2. In academic settings. When asking for help from professors, classmates, or school staff, it helps you sound polite and respectful. 3. In social situations. When requesting friends, family, or even strangers to do something for you, it keeps the interaction cordial and comfortable. Practice makes perfect. Let's go through a few examples together. In the workplace. "It would be great if you could finish this report by tomorrow." In academic settings. "It would be great if you could explain this concept to me again." In social situations. "It would be great if you could lend me your lawnmower." That's a wrap on, "It would be great if you could." Remember, mastering polite language in English is an important step towards fluency, and the phrase, "It would be great if you could," is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Practice using it in different contexts and see how it changes the tone of your requests. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!